और
Yes,
भाई
we are live. Yes,
we are. Shall we go? Shall we admit
Karan
all? We
sahab,
are already
namaskar.
Wait.
Karan
Wait.
sahab, namaskar to this place.
Namaskar.
It's an honor to
Namaskar.
have you here. We have heard a lot about you. Although nutrition as a subject we have already dealt with twice before. We have done it with Miss. There were two speakers before you.
Okay.
But because it is you this time, we made sure that you come because your belief is different from what we have heard. And as a matter of practice, when I go to work on the kind of subject we are going to talk about today, I really realize that you have a very beautiful concept, and the way you have described things is something is for us to learn today. So we have invited our friends here who are coming from different parts of life to listen to you, and we have a lot of questions to ask, and you have to be prepared to answer at least 200 questions today.
Sure, perfectly fine. My pleasure. Indeed, a pleasure to be with you today.
Oh yes, we are really looking forward to it, and you be alert. You be alert and ready today.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, let's begin. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, warm welcome to Papa JC Talk Show. A very good afternoon to all of you. आज हमारे बीच एक बहुत ही पहुंचे हुए जाने माने शख्सियत हैं. ये हमें बताएंगे आज खाना कैसे सही तरीके से खाना चाहिए. We will not only discuss food, what to eat and what not to eat. We'll also discuss a lot of myths, because there is a lot of belief that one section of people believe something, the other section believes in something else. So he will tell us in between what is right, what is wrong. Before that, I must share that tomorrow we are expecting one of my favorite cricketers who's joining us for a session, Mr. Kapil Dev. He is coming in tomorrow at 6 o'clock. For that, I will release the link for you to register so that you can join in. Here we are playing a small contest, or should I say a small game. A question is being asked. I love Kapil Dev because. So whatever you answer will go back to him. So let him read, and he will call you over to interact with you tomorrow. In the meantime, may I request Kavita ji to please introduce our guest of honor.
Good evening, everyone. Our today's session is about something very interesting that will keep us engaged all throughout: food as medicine. And to take us through this interesting session, herein I introduce an international nutrigenomics and disease reversal expert, Mr. Karan Kakkar. He is an expert in holistic nutrition and also associated with American Fitness Professionals and Associates. His passion in medical nutrition led to the birth of Reverse Factor, which is backed by an extensive research in the field of nutrigenomics. It is a scientific study of the interaction of nutrition and genes. Nutrigenomics has revolutionized the world of prevention, treatment, and reversal of lifestyle diseases. He is currently doing his PhD in epigenetics and neuroscience. He personally consults celebrities like Mr. Mukesh and Mrs. Nita Ambani, Mr. Bajaj, the automobile tycoon of India, and many more in the industry. So he, with his expertise, is going to take us to an amazing session today. Over to you, Papa JC.
Thank you, Kavita. Hey, आप तो डॉक्टर हो जाओगे कुछ दिनों में. I just heard that you are doing some PhD.
Yeah. I think more 4-5 months and should be done.
Seriously, तो डॉक्टर करण कक्कड़ हो जाएंगे आप तो बस छा जाओगे.
That's right.
तो ये कैसा सब्जेक्ट है आपका PhD जो आप कर रहे हैं?
No, so my PhD is in epigenetics. So epigenetics, how your genes can change, right? So there are two ways in which your genes can express differently. One is, so whatever goes inside from the environment, number one is food and number two is thoughts. So by eating right food or by having right thoughts, you can turn on a lot of health promoting genes and turn off disease promoting genes. And vice versa, when you have a lot of unhealthy foods or you are continuously living in hormones of stress, fear, anxiety, you can turn on a lot of disease promoting genes and turn off health promoting genes. So with the help of environment, how your genes can be turned on and off is known as epigenetics in a very, very simpler term. So that is what we study and that is what we do a lot of work on. And it's fascinating. It's fascinating because, most of us believe that genes don't change, right? And that is what we have always been told. But 90% of the genes express in a certain way depending on our response to the environment, which is key to reversing disease and building immunity.
Excellent. मतलब ये बहुत actually हम थोड़ा कम ही समझते हैं, इतना अंग्रेजी आप बोल देते हैं तो ऊपर से निकल जाता है. हमारे पास जो audience है ना, I'll just share something with you जो मैं सबको बोलता हूँ. ऑडियंस की दो कैटेगरी एज की, एक 6 साल के नीचे और दूसरा
Correct.
80 साल के ऊपर, और
Right.
बीच वाले चले जाते गूगल के पास।
Correct.
तो आप
Correct.
वैसे समझाओ कि हम लोग उस कैटेगरी में बिलोंग करते हैं। मैं खुद को
Absolutely.
6 साल के नीचे
Absolutely.
मानता हूँ, तो बाकी का पता नहीं। तो हम
Absolutely.
लोग कुछ चेंज करते हैं। नॉर्मली व्हाट वी डू इज वी गेट इनटू दिस सेशन। I have got a lot of questions from my friends in the Facebook in that WhatsApp groups that we have. So I
Okay.
compiled them in such a way that we will start with a rapid fire,
Okay.
so that you can answer them in true, false, okay, good, bad, correct, not correct. And if you
Okay.
feel that you want to take up that topic and we come back again after the rapid fire and discuss in
Perfect.
details.
Perfect.
Are you
Yeah.
ready for it?
Absolutely.
Okay. Can we have him on the spotlight, please, Ravi? आप करण जी को स्पॉटलाइट दे दीजिए। अब मैं उनसे क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ। स्टार्ट रॉन्ग, ठीक है? बेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन इज एनिमल फूड।
Wrong.
Okay. Processed foods labeled natural are
Mhm.
healthier.
Absolutely no.
Garam beer is better than chilled beer.
False.
For a healthy body, we should only focus on proteins, carbs, and fats.
False.
Plant-based diets is proven black and white to reverse heart-related issues.
Absolutely true.
Seriously?
Yes.
Okay. Can we discuss this later? I'll just note down. This
Sure.
I'll just note down. Okay. Next. To lose fat, reduce the number of calories.
False.
Seriously?
Yes, and we should discuss this also. So both these points.
Good. To lose fat. Fine. Next. Gluten-free diet helps everyone to lose weight and have better health.
It helps few people, but not everyone.
Okay. For immunity, vitamin C tablets will help to keep COVID at bay.
Vitamin C definitely helps, but it is just one of the many things that we need to do to boost immunity.
So you want to come to this topic?
Yeah, we should, yeah.
We should touch the vitamins. Huh?
Yes.
Cow milk is the best source of calcium.
Absolutely
You-
false.
What?
Yeah, absolutely false. Absolutely false. And I think that is one of the biggest myth, that biggest source of calcium is animal milk, which is cow's milk or any other milk. So we should also come back to this.
आप serious हो क्या?
Absolutely serious.
जा बाबा, तो vegetarian लोग क्या लेंगे फिर तो? रुक जाइए, next चलते हैं फिर. Plant-based diets are not appropriate for children or athletes.
No, I'm not true.
It's not true again. Main cause of diabetes is intake of sugar and sugar products. ये तो सबको मालूम है.
No, actually, but I will say it is not true. Main cause is not sugar, and it is one of the many causes is having sugar and sugar related products. But a lot of people may not have sugar as it is, but still get diabetes because of many reasons. So we can come back to this.
लगता है बहुत सारा लंबा डिस्कशन होने वाला है आज. अच्छा, ये तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन आया था. How to stop craving for sugar?
Yeah. So again, see, this is a scientific process, and there were big studies which have shown that a lot of rats were given sugar and they were also given cocaine. Okay, and every time after that study, those rats used to go back to sugar and not cocaine, which means that sugar was 8 times more addictive than cocaine. That was found in that study, right? So when you have all those packet processed foods, so they hijack a lot of cells in your brain, and therefore this entire tagline of "ye dil mange more" is actually true, because you really want to go back to those products which are filled with sugar and a lot of processed food. So it is a scientific process, and there are ways in which you can reverse this addiction also. So we can definitely touch base on that whenever you want. Yeah.
लगता है हर टॉपिक में जाना पड़ेगा दोबारा. अच्छा, एक क्वेश्चन आया था, alternatives to मैदा and सूजी.
Yeah, so again, there are many alternatives to maida and suji. So again, whole wheat is a good option. All right. So there are a lot of whole wheat breads which people should look up to or rather have compared to maida or things like that. Right. So whole wheat, gluten-free whole wheat are better options.
Natural protein sources.
So again, protein can be divided into 3 parts. Number 1 is animal, number 2 is artificial protein powder, protein supplements, and number 3 is plant protein. All right. Now, ideally, we need to consume more of plant protein rather than animal or processed protein, which does a lot of harm to the body, right? So natural sources of protein would be pumpkin seeds. Now, pumpkin seeds are very, very simple to get. Now, every week we see around 25-30 cancer patients, and one of the food that we prescribe to most of them is pumpkin seeds because they boost your immune system. Also, they have excellent amount of protein. Just imagine, we all know that dal has good protein. Dal mein bahut protein hota hai, that is what we know. But per 100 gram, dal has 9 grams of protein, whereas per 100 gram, pumpkin seeds have 24 grams of protein, right? So there is too much good plant protein on pumpkin seeds, right? Sprouts is another good example of having natural plant protein, right?
Great. So you want अब ऐसा है कि ये तो हमारे सब सिर्फ one line questions थे. You can relax now.
Yeah.
You can come back to normal. पहले बताइए तो ये जो आप न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट लोग सब अच्छे देखने में ही होते हैं कि कुछ ट्रेडिशन कुछ ऐसा होता है?
No, I think that is one of the basic criteria, because जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, and so if you look good, people would want to come up to you. I'm sure nobody would want to go to anyone for a consulting to lose weight when he himself would be 100 plus, right? So I think you have to practice what you preach.
मतलब मेरा चांस तो है ही नहीं. हालांकि हमने भी you won't believe we had invited some 14 or 15 doctors and so many nutritionists. मुझे लगा कि मैं इतना सीख गया हूँ कि एडवाइस कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन मेरा चांस नहीं है.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. I'm sure you can help people also.
अच्छा, मैंने एक सुना अभी एक बात जो बता रही थी कविता जी कि you have Ambani's as your customer. Would you like to say something on that?
No, I mean, God has been kind, and they anyways know a lot of things. So I've just helped them, guided in a lot of areas where they wanted some advice. But they also follow very nicely. Obviously, they have to, because despite their hectic schedules and all that. But yeah, God has been kind that I met them. I was invited to their house in Mumbai, and so the entire experience was very nice.
तो आप उनसे connected हो one to one और through wire?
Yeah, we are connected.
नंबर है आपके पास?
Absolutely.
अच्छा, चलिए नमस्ते बोलेगा हमारी तरफ से.
Sure.
Okay. I'm sorry, just out of the way. अब आपका कोई special topic you want to discuss, because you've done a lot of research and you've done a lot of learning on this subject. There's something you want to touch base before we move on to question and answers.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's speak on lifestyle disease, which have been an epidemic. All right.
Okay, Ravi, can you please spotlight him, please, once again? And let him be on spotlight.
And also, we have been always, since the topic of today's discussion is food as medicine, let me throw just a couple of minutes, throw some light on this topic. All right. So we always have been told, or we always knew, or we always thought, if food is a source of calorie or food is a source of energy, right? That is what we have always been told. But the new science says that food is not just a source of calorie or energy, it is actually information, all right? Which means that 100 calories of broccoli is very different from 100 calories of Coca-Cola. Okay, so for example, when you eat papaya or bedana ya banana or broccoli, so when that goes inside, all right, it talks to each and every cell of our body. Similarly, when you have bhujia, biscuit, bread, they go inside and talks to each and every cell of our body. Now, what information do we want these foods to give to our cell? It depends on what we eat. So when we eat good things, the information that goes inside is very, very nice, all right? And when we eat bad foods, the information that goes inside is very, very bad. This entire science is known as nutrigenomics, all right? That how nutrition can change our genes.
Because your voice is not audible. I just received a complaint. Not easily audible.
Let me just check from here. I think from my side it is top volume, so I'll try and be a little louder.
It's clear. It's clear. No issues.
Jiten, it's absolutely fine.
Okay, fine. Actually, कोई लिखा था chat में इसलिए I'm sorry.
No, ignore that.
I'm sorry.
Great. So what I was telling you is that the food is actually information, and हमारे अंदर जाके वो food किस प्रकार का information दे depends on the quality of the food that we eat. All right. So first and foremost, that food is our medicine. We need to understand that खाना अंदर जाके या तो अच्छा करेगा या बुरा करेगा, और कोई तीसरा काम ही नहीं है. जो भी खाना हम खाएंगे वो अंदर जाके अच्छा करेगा या बुरा करेगा. दैट इज पॉइंट नंबर 1. पॉइंट नंबर 2, दुनिया में one of the most misleading word in this planet is diet. कोई भी इंसान को कभी कोई डाइट करना ही नहीं चाहिए. 100 साल पहले कितने जन डाइट करते थे? हार्डली एनीवन. अगर हमको 70-80 साल तक फिट रहना है तो हमारी आदतें होनी चाहिए, अच्छी होनी चाहिए. इट इज आवर हैबिट्स दैट विल रिवर्स डिजीज एंड नॉट डाइट्स. ओके, सो सेकंड important point is that build good habits. It is your habits that will reverse disease and not any diets. And number 3 point is that focus on long term. So many people आज फोकस करते हैं हमको 3 महीने में 15 किलो कम करना है, हमको 4 महीने में 20 किलो कम करना है. बट दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है कि जब हम आज जितने भी जन हमको सुन रहे हैं, हम सबके लिए सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है कि जब हम 60, 70, 80 साल के हुए, वी शुड बी फिट, फाइन, हेल्दी. इससे ज्यादा जरूरी कुछ नहीं है. So focus on long-term health rather than short-term measures. Okay, I am happy कि आप महीने में 2 किलो ही कम करो. Okay, बट आप कंसिस्टेंटली और सस्टेनेबल मैनर में करोगे तो 5-6 महीने बाद 10-12 किलो दिखेगा. राइट, सो फोकस ऑन कंसिस्टेंसी रादर देन स्पीड. फोकस ऑन लॉन्ग टर्म रादर देन शॉर्ट टर्म. अगर ये बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट इंसान ठीक करे ना तो ओवरऑल हेल्थ कैन बी मच बेटर.
तो आप ये बोलना चाहते हो कि हम लोग जो अगर द वे यू आर सेइंग इफ वी फॉलो इट रिलीजियसली, आई थिंक इट विल गिव अस अ लॉन्ग टर्म बेनिफिट कंपेयर्ड टू दी जो हम लोग कीटो डाइट और ये सब करते हैं. एंड व्हाट अबाउट दिस इंटरमिटेंट डाइट जो होता है आजकल बहुत क्रेज चल रहा है?
See, there is nothing known as intermittent diet. So there's this concept known as intermittent fasting. Okay. Now intermittent fasting is very, very scientific. It is a eating pattern. It is not a diet. What is the concept? कि आप रात को जितने बजे आपका डिनर होता है उस टाइम से मिनिमम 12 घंटा मत खाओ. रात को 8 बजे डिनर करो तो सुबह 8 बजे खाओ. वेरी सिंपल. लॉट ऑफ पीपल डू 13 hours 14 hours also, but it is very scientific. आप सोचो 2016 में 2016 Nobel Prize in Medicine was given to a Japan scientist who was working on this concept known as autophagy. कि हर सेकेंड हमारे बॉडी, ऑटोफेजी मतलब हर सेकेंड हमारे बॉडी में करोड़ों सेल डिवाइड होते हैं, बुरे सेल बॉडी बाहर फेंकता है. इट्स अ नेचुरल प्रोसेस जो अभी हम सब के अंदर हो रहा है. ही शोड दैट पीपल हु हैव कैंसर, अल्जाइमर्स, लॉट ऑफ डिजीज, उनके बॉडी में ऑटोफेजी बंद हो जाता है. बॉडी कैन नॉट क्लीन इटसेल्फ एंड बुरे सेल बाहर नहीं जाते हैं. He showed that people who practice 16-hour intermittent fasting, उनके अंदर ऑटोफेजी वापस रीस्टार्ट होता है. सो इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग इज गिविंग अ ब्रेक टू योर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम कि आप डाइजेशन ना करो, आप बॉडी को साफ करो. सो इट इज अ गुड ईटिंग पैटर्न, वेरी वेरी साइंटिफिक, एंड एवरीबडी शुड डू इट. मिनिमम 12-13 घंटा तो करना ही चाहिए. कि रात को 8 बजे खाओ, सुबह 8 बजे चालू करो. इट इज वेरी वेरी नाइस. इट क्लीन्स द सिस्टम, हेल्प्स क्लीन ऑल ऑर्गन्स, एंड इट वर्क्स वेरी वेल.
ओके, हम लोग जो रैपिड फायर किए थे वहां पर एक क्वेश्चन था, काउ मिल्क इज द बेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ कैल्शियम. यू वांट टू एलैबोरेट ऑन दैट?
So let's understand first and foremost that कोई भी इंसान या जानवर, any mammal, इस दुनिया में कोई भी mammal हो, इंसान या जानवर, उनके बॉडी में दूध आता कब है? Okay, so when does cow get milk in the body?
When they're lactating.
Correct, when they're lactating, when they're pregnant. Okay, so mother's milk दुनिया में number 1. But last 30, 40, 50 years दूध का मिल्क कंजम्पशन इतना बढ़ गया है, पूरे साल तो गाय प्रेग्नेंट नहीं है तो उसमें इंजेक्शन हार्मोन डाल के दूध निकालते हैं. एवरी टाइम यू हैव दूध का चाय, छेना, पनीर, ऑल दैट, हमारे अंदर एडेड हार्मोन जाते हैं जिससे हार्मोनल इंबैलेंस होता है. दिस इज पॉइंट नंबर 1. पॉइंट नंबर 2, आज गाय को कैल्शियम कहां से मिलता है? ओके, सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड कैल्शियम एक्चुअली होता क्या है. कैल्शियम इज वन ऑफ द मिनरल्स. तो विटामिन मिनरल्स होता है. सो कैल्शियम इज वन ऑफ द मिनरल्स, एंड सारे मिनरल्स बाय डेफिनेशन कम फ्रॉम सॉइल. ओके, सो आज जितने प्लांट फूड्स हम खाते हैं, कच्चा पपीता, ड्रम स्टिक, बीन्स, बरबटी, जितने फ्रूट, वेजिटेबल, प्लांट फूड्स हम खाते हैं, उस सॉइल में कैल्शियम है. सो वहां से हमको कैल्शियम मिलता है. आज गाय घास खाती है, उस सॉइल में कैल्शियम है, वहां से उसको कैल्शियम मिलता है. राइट, सो व्हाई कांट वी गो बैक टू द नेचर और द सोर्स ऑफ कैल्शियम rather than taking it from the middleman, which is the cow. Okay, अगर आप दुनिया में, पूरी दुनिया में नंबर 1 सोर्स ऑफ कैल्शियम इज सफेद तिल. सब तिल का लड्डू खाते हैं ना अपने, white sesame seed. So white sesame seed is number one source of calcium in this entire planet. अगर आप top 10 sources देखोगे तो उसमें milk नहीं आता है. Milk technically comes the 12th one. Okay, but again because of a lot of injection hormones, that triggers a lot of disease. However, people need to understand that we are living in this myth कि भाई बस कैल्शियम चाहिए तो दूध लो and something like that. बट वो दूध जो 100 साल पुराना था और जो आज का दूध है उसमें बहुत फर्क है. दैट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो अगर कोई प्योर गाय का दूध आता है, नो प्रॉब्लम, वो आप ले सकते हैं, बट द मिल्क टुडे इज नॉट मिल्क, इट इज समथिंग एल्स. So then a lot of people might ask a vegetarian को कैल्शियम कहाँ से मिलेगा? So as we discussed that plant foods में भर भर के कैल्शियम है. For all the viewers, I might say 5-6 foods which are very high on calcium. Number 1 is सफेद तिल. Okay. Number 2 is something known as कड़ी पत्ता. कड़ी पत्ता हर घर में होता है. कड़ी पत्ता में भर भर के कैल्शियम, अनगिनत कैल्शियम. Number 2. Number 3, there is something known as drumstick. Okay, I've been speaking a lot about drumstick these days because drumstick is immunity booster. जो सांभर के अंदर होता है.
पहले तो आपको प्रणाम करते हैं भाई साहब.
Yeah.
मेरी वाइफ आपकी कोई सेशन को अटेंड की थी.
Yeah.
उसके बाद किलो ड्रम स्टिक हमको बना के खिलाया जो मेरे को भी पसंद ही नहीं आता. बट
Right.
आफ्टर दैट अब वो समझाइए क्यों.
Yeah, so drumstick is number 1 for immunity. Okay, immunity booster. उसमें अनगिनत कैल्शियम, very good for blood pressure, very good for diabetes, and very very easily available. All right. So number 1 was सफेद तिल, number 2 was कड़ी पत्ता, number 3 was drumstick, number 4 is अंजीर. अंजीर में भर भर के कैल्शियम. All right. Number 5 is something known as कच्चा पपीता. Number 6 is ripe papaya and अनार. So ये सब चीज में हमको भर भर के कैल्शियम मिलता है. We should go back to nature or the source from where you get calcium rather than go to the middleman.
Excellent. This is the biggest myth you've ever cleared here.
No,
एक
very,
second
very
question
clear.
हो.
Yeah,
आप कुछ
please.
बोल रहे हो.
No, that is true. It's one of the biggest myth we are living with.
अच्छा, एक और जगह आप रुके थे जो मैं खोज रहा था उसको. आपने ये बोला था that to lose fat, reduce the number of calories.
Okay, so again, another myth that we are living in is that हम अगर 1000 कैलोरी खाते हैं और हमको वजन कम करना है तो हम 800 कैलोरी कर दो. Okay, so there is this concept known as calorie in, calorie out. जितना कैलोरी खाओ उतना कैलोरी बर्न करो, something like that. Okay, but again, this is a very very outdated concept. This is a very very wrong concept that people are living with. Why? Now let us understand that आप अगर so for example मैं अभी 1000 कैलोरी खाता हूँ, which includes burger, pizza, pasta, cold drink. आप अभी 2000 कैलोरी खाते हैं, which includes drumstick, red, yellow, green capsicum, broccoli, zucchini, cucumber, carrot, ये सब. Who is better? Even if you are eating double the calories, you are still better because the quality of nutrient is far superior than number of calories. कैलोरी भले आपने ज्यादा खाया, but nutrient wise you are superb compared to what I was eating, which was junk food, processed foods. Okay, so rather than looking at number of calories, we should look at quality of nutrients, which is very very important. मैं भले 800 नहीं 1000 कैलोरी खाता हूँ, but वो 1000 कैलोरी बहुत अच्छा है जिससे फैट बर्न अच्छा होता है. उससे अगर compared to that, if someone is eating only 500 calories, which is empty calories, okay, जिसमें बर्गर, पिज्जा, पास्ता है, उससे डिजीज ही बढ़ेगा ना कि फैट कम होगा. Okay, and overall people need to also understand that everybody is running after fat loss, weight loss. We need to understand that weight loss has to be a byproduct of becoming better. Okay, हमें overall system अच्छा बनाना है, and in the journey हमारा weight loss होना चाहिए. I will not want people कि बहुत weight कम करो but आपका फिर पेट साफ नहीं होता है, आपको gas acidity हो, आपको headache बहुत हो. So let us look at holistic health rather than just one or two things.
Excellent. In fact, let me just share with you people, I have invited Ms. Gargi. She is going to answer your small questions on the chats also, which we are not discussing by any chance. So अगर आपको कुछ questions हैं तो Gargi ji, are you there?
Yes, I'm there. I'm
Lovely.
there.
So आप अपना questions for everyone करके लिखते जाइए. She will try and answer them so that we can get maximum answers while we are listening to him also. Okay. Now we move on to the next most important question that for today. Does lifestyle play a role in manifesting diseases like diabetes, kidney issue, etc., and how?
So broadly speaking, दो टाइप की बीमारी है. Let us understand कि दो टाइप की बीमारी है. Number 1 is infection disease. Number 2 is lifestyle disease. Infection disease मतलब पोलियो, मलेरिया, डेंगू, कोरोना वायरस is a infection disease. बाहर का infection body में आता है. And number two is lifestyle disease, blood pressure, diabetes, fatty liver, thyroid, cholesterol, kidney problem, all the heart disease. Now 100 साल पहले कौन सी बीमारी ज्यादा थी? इन्फेक्शन डिजीज, निमोनिया, मलेरिया, ये सब चीज. ओके. एंड लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज बहुत कम. 100 साल पहले बहुत कम हाई ब्लड प्रेशर, बहुत कम डायबिटीज, हार्ट इश्यूज. बट लास्ट 30-40 years लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज हैव बिकम एन एपिडेमिक. हर घर में किसी ना किसी को जॉइंट पेन, ब्लड प्रेशर, डायबिटीज, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, फैटी लिवर, ऑल दैट. ओके. एंड इन्फेक्शन डिजीज हैव गॉन डाउन ड्रास्टिकली थैंक्स टू एडवांसमेंट इन वैक्सीनेशन, एंटीबायोटिक्स, ड्रग्स, ऑल दैट. नाउ अगर आपको इन्फेक्शन है, आप एंटीबायोटिक ले लो, ठीक हो जाता है, मेक सेंस. बट अगर आपको लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज है, okay, which is like diabetes, blood pressure, fatty liver, and you just pop in a pill, okay, you just popping a pill thinking that उससे ठीक हो जाता है, that doesn't solve the purpose because it will not treat the root cause of the disease. Okay, जड़ से ठीक नहीं होता है, बस गोली लेके अपने सोचते नंबर नीचे हो रहा है. बट मैं अगर 4 गोली खाते शुगर मेरा फास्टिंग 100 आता है एंड आपका बिना मेडिसिन फास्टिंग 100 आता है, you are much better than what I am. Right? Therefore, people need to understand that diabetes, blood pressure, heart disease, cholesterol, thyroid, ये सब lifelong disease नहीं है. हमें आज तक यही बताया गया है कि एक बार ब्लड प्रेशर गोली चालू हो, लाइफ लॉन्ग लेना है. एक बार थायराइड गोली चालू हो, लाइफ लॉन्ग लेना है. एक बार डायबिटीज गोली चालू हो, लाइफ लॉन्ग लेना है. People need to understand that all of these are lifestyle disease and not lifelong disease. उनका नाम ही है lifestyle disease. So the answer to solving those diseases is changing your lifestyle, changing your food, changing your habits, so that हम 70-80 साल तक fit रह सकते हैं.
Excellent. So you mean our diseases these can be changed and reversed, as in the जो hypertension
Absolutely.
and diabetes.
Absolutely. And there are people who have done it. I mean, there are hundreds of people, thousands of people outside who have done it. And अगर हजारों जन कर सकते हैं, तो आप भी कर सकते हैं. All right. It all begins with your mindset change and your lifestyle change.
So would you like to address how, now or later, how to change, reverse this diabetes or blood pressure?
Okay, so there are 3 steps. Okay, so first and foremost, we need to understand that the mindset change. The first and foremost, we need to understand that ये सारे बीमारी reverse होती है. All right, we need not live with this, and we need to reverse this. So that acceptance and acknowledging that is step number 1. Mindset change कि हमें उसके साथ जीना नहीं है. Because most people have this, just imagine अगर किसी को 30-35 साल में मालूम चलता है शुगर, बीपी, वो करते क्या है? सबसे पहले वो एक मेडिसिन, 2 मेडिसिन लेके दे स्टार्ट लाइक दैट, एंड वो लाइफस्टाइल चेंज नहीं करते हैं, खाना पीना चेंज नहीं करते हैं, एंड दे कीप डूइंग इट लाइक दैट. ऑलराइट, सो फर्स्ट इज द माइंडसेट चेंज कि हमें इसको रिवर्स करना है, उसके साथ जीना नहीं है. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, वंस यू हैव चेंज्ड योर माइंडसेट एंड यू वांट टू रिवर्स इट, then the second step is getting right knowledge and awareness. सही चीज का ज्ञान होना चाहिए. I tell this to many of my patients कि दुख का कारण अज्ञान है. हमें सही चीज का ज्ञान नहीं है, and we do wrong things which leads to wrong result. Okay, so number 2 is knowing the right information or taking the right knowledge, and number 3 is making it your habit and lifestyle. Once you do these 3 things, disease going away is a byproduct of becoming better. Okay, and I'll give you one small example to illustrate what I said. अभी हमारे पास recently एक लड़का आया था, 16-17 साल का लड़का. Okay, Lama Teen for boys में पढ़ता है. 102 किलो, 102 kgs. Okay, 16-17-year-old boy, 102 kgs. उसको fatty liver, early signs of fatty liver, early signs of diabetes, overweight, lot of issues. Okay, एंड दिन में वो 2-3 रेड बुल पीता है, उसको लगता है रेड बुल से एनर्जी मिलता है, उसको मालूम ही नहीं कि उसमें शुगर है. ऑलराइट, उसका खाना पीना इज जंक फूड, प्रोसेस्ड फूड्स, नो फ्रूट्स, नो प्लांट फूड्स. नाउ इफ ही कंटिन्यूज लाइक दिस, नेक्स्ट 25-30 इयर्स तक उसको डायबिटीज गोली चालू हो जाएगा, उसको ब्लड प्रेशर, फैटी लिवर गोली चालू हो जाएगा. But will taking those medicines help him or reverse the disease? No, because the root cause was his years of bad habits and lifestyle. So the answer to lifestyle disease is changing years of bad habits, changing lifestyle, and becoming aware and doing the right things.
Okay, now I get. Suppose I assume that my mindset is ready.
Yeah.
Knowledge आप देंगे, अब क्या करना है हमको.
Yeah.
और मैं lifestyle change करने को तैयार हूँ. अब मेरे कुछ ऐसा 5-6 चीज बताइए जिससे मेरा hypertension कम हो जाए.
Okay, so rather I would want to stick to the broader disease so that किसी को diabetes हो उनका भी कुछ input वो ले सके इसमें से. So number one step is eat real food. Okay, eat food that nature has given us, plant foods, okay, so fruits, vegetables, all that. So I call all these junk foods, packet foods hote hain na, like chips, biscuit, kurkure, bhujia, all that, jo box mein aate hain, I call them food like products. They are not real food. Nature has, bhagwan ne nature ne nahi diya hai. They are man made food, factory made food, okay. It is made in a plant rather than grown in a plant, okay. So eat foods jo nature ne plant se grow karke aata hai. That is step number 1. Step number 2 is avoid foods which are manufactured in a plant, processed food, junk foods, all that. Number 2. Number 3 is eat your salads. Very, very important. Okay, ab jaise cucumber, carrot, jo bhi hai, eat your salads. So let's put that into number 1 only. That is real food. So number 1 is real food. Number 2 is stop processed foods. Number 3 is start walking. There's this very famous line which says that sitting is the next smoking. Okay, आप ज्यादा देर एक जगह बैठ के रहो, then you will invite more disease because you have a sedentary lifestyle. Your metabolism will become weak. So the third point is start walking, okay. And number 4 is focus on your habits. मतलब आज बहुत जन को पान पराग की आदत है, किसी को ड्रिंकिंग की आदत है, किसी को स्मोकिंग की हैबिट्स है. Those bad habits will again invite more disease, all right. So bad habits को avoid करें, okay. And number 5, which is emotional health, okay. Today's stress and lack of sleep have also triggered so many disease. People don't realize that there are 4 pillars of good health: food and nutrition, physically being active, good sleep, and emotional health. ये चारों चीज पे ध्यान रखना बहुत जरूरी है. So the 5 points that we discussed to reverse lifestyle disease: number 1 was eat real plant food. Number 2, avoid junk processed foods. Number 3 was focus on holistic health. Okay, all these 4 things, including good sleep and all that. Number 4 is focus on bad habits and remove that. And number 5 was start walking. Okay, start being active. तो ये 5 चीज अगर कोई करे, 1 महीना भी करेगा तो उसको बहुत हल्का लगेगा, उसको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Lot of things will start falling in place.
Okay. I just got a question in between. I'm just reading out that question.
Yeah.
Remedy for hair fall. Like, is it helpful to have soaked methi water in the morning? Should one eat sprouted methi? This is off the beat question that has come up. ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
हाँ, so obviously methi has a lot of benefits, but इसके अलावा I will tell you 3 things more जो hair fall के लिए बहुत काम करता है. Number 1 is कड़ी पत्ता. We spoke about कड़ी पत्ता as one food which has a lot of calcium, but apart from calcium, कड़ी पत्ता is also very, very good for your skin and for your hair. Okay, so for good skin, good hair, कड़ी पत्ता बहुत. Number 2, there is something known as onion juice. तो onion का रस बना के आप हफ्ते में 2 बार 3 बार आप अप्लाई करो स्कैल्प में, इससे हेयर फॉल बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. And number 3 is check your vitamin B12. Many patients we see who have hair fall issues, उनका B12 level कम होता है. So if your B12 is less and that is triggering hair fall, so उसको root cause ठीक करना बहुत जरूरी है.
Excellent, boss. I was just testing कि आप prepare करके आए हो कि suddenly आप आंसर ले लेते हो. You were good. अब आप कुछ चाय पानी कुछ ले लोगे साथ साथ? मैं तो रखा हूँ अपने पास कॉफी.
No, I'm good. Thank you so much. Yeah.
अच्छा, okay. We move on to the next important question.
Yeah.
आप जो बता रहे हो ये अपना जो disease, as you said there's one lifestyle disease and one is infection disease, right?
So yeah.
Lifestyle disease, don't you think diabetes is genetic? I mean, hereditary?
No, in fact, all lifestyle disease like diabetes, blood pressure, thyroid, cholesterol, for that matter, all of that, okay, अगर किसी को family history में है and all that, so genes will play a role as far as 15 to 20% maximum. 80 to 85% is your lifestyle. तो अब ऐसा सोचो कि अगर किसी के family history में है तो उनके पास एक loaded gun है, okay, and किसी के family history में नहीं है तो उनके पास normal gun है, loaded नहीं है, okay. But trigger दबाना is your lifestyle, okay, which means कि अगर मेरी family history में नहीं है but मैं बहुत unhealthy खाता हूँ, stress लेता हूँ, sleep is not good, physically not active, तो मुझे 35-40 years में हो जाएगा. But अगर आपके family history में है but still you are eating good, eating plant foods, very very active, holistically health का ध्यान रख रहे हैं, maybe आपको 70 years में थोड़ा borderline के आसपास आएगा, right? So focusing on holistic health is very very important, and it is definitely not genetic. Genes play a role only as far as 15 to maximum 20%. 80 to 85% is your lifestyle, your choices, and that is what epigenetics says, that how your genes will change depending on what you do.
Excellent. Achha, we go to the next question. People are going after veganism. Is this a trend or a fad?
Thank you so much for asking this question because I personally don't like the word vegan. Okay, now let's understand why.
Yeah.
कोई भी खाना है इस दुनिया में, कोई भी खाना है ना, उसको 3 हिस्से में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. नंबर 1 इज एनिमल फूड, नंबर 2 इज प्रोसेस्ड जो भी पैकेट में होता है, और नंबर 3 इज प्लांट. ओके, इसके बाद कुछ नहीं है. कोई भी खाना इज एनिमल और प्रोसेस्ड और प्लांट फूड. ओके, नाउ व्हेन पीपल से वीगनिज्म मतलब नो एनिमल. अब एनिमल को अवॉइड कर दो. ओके, दैट इज वीगनिज्म, which means veganism will have then processed food plus plant foods. Both would come under veganism. Animal, processed, plant. Animal hataya to khali processed and plant. Okay. Now, so when people say veganism is good or veganism karo, health point of view say we can't say, because it animal cruelty point of view say they are saying veganism karo. Why health point of view say we can't say? Because somebody who is having french fries, पूरे दिन वो french fries खाता है, कोको कोला खाता है, गांठिया जलेबी खाता है, वो भी बोलेगा मैं तो बॉस वीगन हूं ना, मैं एनिमल फूड तो खाता नहीं हूं. बट दैट डजंट मीन दैट इज ईटिंग हेल्दी. करेक्ट? स्पेशली इन अ कंट्री लाइक इंडिया जहां पे नाश्ता बहुत चलता है. I mean, you can have a complete range of deep fried nashtas that you call under vegan. Okay, but they are not healthy. They will not reverse disease. In fact, they will build more disease. Okay, they will trigger more disease. So therefore I choose the word eating real food, plant foods which has nutrient, rather than words like veganism.
I was listening to one of these videos of yours in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
आप लाइव सेल्स की बात कर रहे हैं खाने में.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
देखिए बहुत स्टडी करते हैं हम, वैसे ऐसे नहीं, हम वैसे ही नहीं आते हैं यहाँ पर. तो
Yeah,
आपने
yeah.
एक बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक था, लाइव सेल्स, लिविंग
Yeah.
सेल्स इन फूड. उस पर जरा विस्तार करिए ना.
All right. So, okay, let's understand why plant foods are better compared to animal and processed foods. तो आज हम एप्पल को काट के बाहर रखते हैं, वो काला हो जाता है. ओके, ब्रेड, भुजिया, बिस्किट को काट के बाहर रखो, वो काला नहीं होता है. ओके, व्हाई? लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. बिकॉज एप्पल हैज लाइफ. एप्पल के अंदर जान है. कोई भी चीज जिसमें जान है, ओके, कोई भी चीज जिसमें जान है, जिसमें लिविंग सेल्स जाते हैं, उसमें ऑक्सीडाइजेशन प्रोसेस होता है. आज हमारे अंदर भी ऑक्सीजन जाता है तो ऑक्सीडाइजेशन प्रोसेस होता है. नाउ एनीथिंग दैट हैज लाइफ, जिसमें लिविंग सेल्स है, उसमें ऑक्सीजन जाता है और ऑक्सीडाइजेशन प्रोसेस होता है. ओके, नाउ उसीलिए वो एप्पल काला होता है. ब्रेड, भुजिया, बिस्किट, उसमें कुछ लिविंग सेल्स नहीं है तो उसमें कुछ ऑक्सीजन जाता नहीं है, तो लिविंग सेल्स जाते नहीं है, तो वो काला होता नहीं है. Now people need to understand that we are living cells, we are living body. तो हमारे अंदर वो चीज जाना चाहिए जिसमें लिविंग सेल्स है, एंड प्लांट फूड्स में ही लिविंग सेल्स है. सो एवरी टाइम यू हैव पपीता, गाजर, बीन्स, बीट, ब्रोकली, आपके अंदर लिविंग सेल्स जा रहे हैं, एंड दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी पावरफुल.
एक्सीलेंट. तो अब जैसे इन द मीन टाइम, सिंस वी हैव दिस फूड के गूगल बाबा टुडे, आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली पूछना हो तो प्लीज आप हैंड रेज करते जाइए. आई विल ब्रिंग यू इन. और आप चैट में आप जितना क्वेश्चन लिख सकते हैं, गार्गी जी आप उनका जवाब दे देंगे. और अगर कोई गार्गी जी आपको कोई क्वेश्चन लगे रेलेवेंट फॉर एवरीबॉडी टू लिसन, आप प्लीज अनम्यूट करके बोल दीजिए देयर इज अ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दैट्स कम अप, सो दैट द
Sure. Okay.
गुड, थैंक यू. सो लाइक दिस क्या होगा ना, द सेशन मूव्स ऑन, प्लस द क्वेश्चंस आर आल्सो आंसर्ड. सो वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इट सेज, what are the things that plays a key role in being disease free?
Okay, so but before I answer this, let us understand that ये इतने disease आए कहाँ से? I mean 80 साल पहले, 50 साल पहले, I remember when I was young, there was not so much discussion on blood pressure and diabetes and things and all that. So in fact, today we are sitting on 19th. परसों 17th of May was World Hypertension Day. Okay, and if you look at statistics, 2019 statistics, India में 207 million, मतलब 20 करोड़ इंसान, 207 million people are suffering from high blood pressure. Whoever has high blood pressure, if they do not treat the root cause, they have a long-term risk of stroke, heart disease, kidney issues, all that. Imagine ये 20 करोड़ आदमी 10 साल, 15, 20 साल बाद हेल्थ केयर पे कितना बड़ा कॉस्ट बनेंगे if they do not treat reverse disease. So let us understand कि अगर हमें disease reverse करना है तो हमें 4 pillars of good health समझना जरूरी है. 4 pillars of good health. Number 1 is food and nutrition. Okay, खाना पीना अच्छा होना चाहिए, plant foods खाना चाहिए, living cells खाना चाहिए, processed food नहीं खाना चाहिए, that we discussed. Number one is food and nutrition. Number two is physically being active. We cannot be sitting at one place for more than 1-2 hours. It is not good. लॉकडाउन है, बाहर नहीं जा सकते हैं, बट एटलीस्ट हर 1-1.5 घंटे बाद आप उठ के फ्री एंड एक्सरसाइज 5-10 मिनट वॉक कर सकते हैं. फिजिकली बी एक्टिव. ओके. नंबर 3 इज गुड स्लीप. Good sleep is very very important for hormonal balance, cleaning the system. हम जब सोते हैं तब केवल बॉडी सोती है, माइंड नहीं सोता है. Brain goes inside and releases lot of hormones, neuropeptides, neurotransmitters which can clean the system. हम जब सोते हैं तब बॉडी व्हाइट ब्लड सेल ज्यादा बनाती है, जिससे इम्यूनिटी अच्छी होती है. So sleep is very very important. And number 5 is emotional health. Mentally we cannot be living in the past and taking stress, not good. तो किसी को भी अगर डिजीज रिवर्स करना है, उनको ये 4 पिलर्स ऑफ गुड हेल्थ पे फोकस करना है और ये चारों पिलर को डे टू डे अच्छा बनाना है. फिर वंस इन अ व्हाइल आप चॉकलेट पेस्ट्री खाओ, इट डजंट मैटर. व्हाट मैटर्स इज डे टू डे हैबिट्स एंड नॉट वंस इन अ व्हाइल व्हाट वी डू.
आप बड़ा अच्छे समझाते हो यार, मजा आता है सुन के, मजा आता है आपकी बात. एक हमारा हैंड रेज हुआ है. आई एम अनम्यूटिंग नम्रता सोमानी जी. वेयर आर यू? या अनम्यूटेड. कहाँ गए वो? एक मिनट, ये रहे. जरा अनम्यूट कर दो यार नम्रता सोमानी. हाँ, कर दिया, कर दिया. प्लीज आस्क नम्रता जी. नम्रता जी, यू आर अनम्यूटेड. एनीवेज वी मूव. मिस्टर जेबी नाग. जेबी नाग जी, आपको अनम्यूट कर दिया हमने. हाँ, बोलिए. लगता है सब एक्सीडेंटली आ गए लोग. नेवर माइंड. ओके, नेक्स्ट. हाँ सर, बोलिए. विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. दिस इज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एक्चुअली.
हेलो.
हाँ जी, बोलिए बोलिए.
हाँ, जैसे जो अपने प्लांट के जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, तो डेरिवेटिव्स जैसे बेसन हो गया, पोहा हो गया, दे आर ऑल एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम प्लांट. वेदर दे कैन बी beneficial?
Yeah, so having things like chilla, poha, upma, all that is not bad. It is not bad. वो आप खा ही सकते हैं, that is okay. But again, we need to focus कि दिन में 80% हमारे अंदर जो खाना जाता है वो plant food होना चाहिए, and बाकी थोड़ा बहुत derivatives, all that is absolutely okay, no problem. उससे कोई बुरा नहीं होगा, उससे कुछ बुरा नहीं होगा. अगर आप जंक फूड, प्रोसेस फूड खाओ तो उससे बुरा होगा, right?
Okay, thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच. अच्छा, एक और हम हैंड डाउन करें तब तक. सपना जी, आप पूछ लीजिए प्लीज.
Hi Karan, very nice session. I just want to know what food is good for 18-month-old child.
All right. So when any child is 1.5 years, then 2-3 चीज ध्यान रखें that we can start introducing real plant foods, but I will advise go one at a time. So मगर अगर आप 1.5 साल के बच्चे को कभी पपीता देते हैं, बनाना, कुछ भी नया चीज इंट्रोड्यूस करो, go slow, go one food at a time. My daughter is 2.5 years now, and आज भी हम उसको जब दलिया खिचड़ी खिलाते हैं तो उसके अंदर वो जो ड्रम स्टिक है ना, उसका अंदर का पल्प डालते हैं, because that is immunity booster. Okay, so आप कोशिश करें that 1.5-2 years से ही आप उनके अंदर रियल फूड का इंटेक चालू करो. फोकस ऑन बेसिक थिंग्स लाइक बनाना, फोकस ऑन फूड्स लाइक पपीता. ये सब चीजें क्या ना, पेट साफ होना, हमें दैट ऑल विल बी वेरी वेरी रेगुलर, प्लस फायदे मिलेंगे. बट गो स्लो, डोंट पुट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एट वन गो. मैश पटेटो दे दिया, बनाना मैश करके, पपीता दे दिया. सो ऑल दीज बेसिक फूड्स, वो सब चीजें आप वही सब चीजें आप ऐड करना, बट डोंट गो टू मच एट वंस.
But only vegetables and fruits,
Yeah.
are they enough, or we actually need to give them cereal also, right?
Cereal, yes, absolutely. So again, dalia, khichdi, सूजी का कुछ बना के, you can also parallelly start that. Absolutely. So fruits आप दिन में 2 बार रखो, सुबह शाम को वैसा रखो. And cereals, at least once or twice you can start. And जब आप cereal add करो, then also you can try mixing some vegetables. Again, या बीट डालो या गाजर डालो, एक दो चीज करके चालू करो, and gradually see what is working. बहुत जन को कुछ एक चीज सूट ना करे, so that you identify and then you avoid it, right? But the idea is that you start giving real natural food. That is very very important. Animal milk nahi denge, because animal milk is something which is really not milk but something else, because of a lot of injections and hormones.
Thank you, madam. Can you please mute yourself? We now unmute Rashika ji. You're there.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I wanted to ask what options can we give children if not milk?
Oh, lovely. That's
What
something.
drink?
Yeah, there are a lot of plant-based options. Okay, so there are plant-based milk that you can give. So, for example, Rashika, there is something known as almond milk. Okay, so आप घर पे 5 to 10 minutes में आप बादाम का दूध बना सकते हैं. All right. करना क्या है, आप 8 से 10 बादाम को रात को बॉईल करें, रात को सोक करें, सॉरी. ओके, सो 8 से 10 बादाम को रात को सोक करें, सुबह उसका पील हटाएंगे और उसको ब्लेंडर में, बस उसको ब्लेंडर में पानी के साथ चर्न करेंगे एंड उसमें आप एक खजूर या एक अंजीर कुछ एक डाल के ये आलमंड मिल्क बनेगा, जो आप उनको दे सकते हैं, which is filled with nutrition. If your child is say 5 years 6 years, you can even add a fruit. Okay, smoothie बना सकते हैं. You can add 2 spoon of chia seeds or flax seeds, which has tons and tons of benefits. Okay, तो ऐसा आप एक स्मूदी बना के उनको दीजिए, which is a very good substitute by compared to giving any animal milk, which is not a good idea.
Thank you.
राशि जी, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन था. The best question so far.
Thank you. Thank you.
अच्छा, can I unmute Shruti ji? Shruti ji unmuting. आपको मजा आ रहा है ना सर?
Absolutely.
You are our Google over today भैया. आंसर देना है आपको. श्रुति जी आप पूछिए. कहाँ गई वो? अच्छा, स्निग्धा जी आपको अनम्यूट किया. या अरे कर दो, अनम्यूट कर दो स्निग्धा जी को बोलेगा. या स्निग्धा जी, you are unmuted.
Yeah, I have been.
I can't hear anything. आपका वॉइस पे ब्रेक कर रहा है. We can't hear anything, madam.
And it was totally my suggestion.
Yeah, okay. पूछिए.
Hello?
Ah.
Yeah. So my question is, sir, about after 16 hours of fasting, how do I start my feast?
Very good question. So any number of hours, be it 12, 14, 16, any number of hours you do intermittent fasting and you break intermittent fasting, let us understand that जब हम intermittent fasting कर रहे हैं, so we are not eating anything, we are not digesting. When we are not digesting, our body is cleaning the system. So after that, when we start, after 12, 14, 16, n number of hours, when we start, हमको कुछ heavy नहीं खाना है. So cooked food, सीधा cooked food से start ना करें. lot of people make this mistake. वो 8 बजे खाते हैं तो 16 घंटा होता है सुबह 12 बजे. Okay, so फिर 12:30 1 बजे वो सीधा cooked meal lunch खा लेते हैं, which is not a good idea. So when you break intermittent fasting, have it something light like jeera water or fruit or dry fruit, something like that, which is easy to digest compared to heavy cooked meal. Okay, so मानो आपने 8 बजे किया और 12 बजे आपका 16 घंटा खत्म होता है, तो 12 बजे आप भी पपीता या बनाना, have something like that, or jeera water, and फिर आप 1 बजे खाना खाएं. Okay, so do not break your intermittent fasting with a heavy cooked meal. Break it with something light which is easy to digest, and 1-1.5 घंटे बाद आप मील कर ले सकते हैं.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Papa JC, you're not audible. आपका mute है.
Yeah, okay. I am unmuting Sangeeta ji.
Yeah. So it is an amazing session. I wanted to ask you, what should be the diet after 40 years of age for the ladies? Should they take supplements regarding calcium or D3 or whatever, all those things?
Okay, so so a couple of things.
Yeah.
When women are crossing 38, 40, 45, they need to focus on hormonal balance, which is very, very important. Okay, and hormonal balance will not come from supplements, they will come from lifestyle, from real food. Okay, so 2-3 चीज मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Having things like cinnamon can really help with a lot of things, hot flushes and hormonal balances. So cinnamon is very, very important. Number 2, focus on gut health. So probiotics, जैसे पांता भात होता है, it is a natural probiotic. Okay, या दही होता है. So focus on having probiotics which are good for gut. Okay, but again, the principle is focus on real food, natural foods, which is very, very important. Since आपने supplement की बात की है, मैं सारे जन को बताऊं that there are 4 things which are not available in plant foods. Number 1 is B12. Number 2 is D3. Number 3 is vitamin K2. Now K2 is like a driver. हम खाने पीने से कैल्शियम तो बहुत मिल जाता है प्लांट फूड से, बट कैल्शियम को सही जगह पे लेके जाना इज द रोल ऑफ विटामिन K2. एंड नंबर 4 इज लॉन्ग चेन ओमेगा 3, जो फिश ऑयल्स वगैरह में रहता है. सो लॉन्ग चेन ओमेगा 3 इज समथिंग दैट यू डोंट गेट इन प्लांट फूड्स. यू माइट गेट शॉर्ट चेन ओमेगा 3 in flax seeds, chia seeds, but your body
Yeah.
has to convert that short chain into long chain, which is weak conversion. तो ये चार चीज B12, D3, K2, long chain omega 3, ये चार चीज हमें प्लांट फूड में नहीं मिलता है.
Okay.
All right. And when you don't get these four things, इसके लिए अगर कुछ कमी हो, जैसे D3 कमी है तो अपराइज D3 बोल के गोली आता है, हफ्ते में एक बार लेना है, 2-3 महीना में ठीक हो जाता है. ये चार
Okay.
चीज का कमी हो तो अभी हम कुछ लेंगे सप्लीमेंट फॉर्म में. अदरवाइज यू डोंट नीड कैल्शियम, आयरन, ऑल दैट, वो आपको प्लांट फूड में भर भर के मिलेगा. All right.
Oh.
But focus on hormonal imbalance, focus on not taking stress. Okay. I meet so many women who are 40 plus, unnecessarily they live in the past, they live in the stress hormones. You know, या जितनी भी ladies आज सुन रही है ना who is above 40, आप सबके लिए मेरे लिए एक सबसे बड़ा medicine है, and that medicine is that just stay happy. आप खुश रहो, आप खुश तो सब कुछ ठीक. Okay, so we need to be happy. That is very, very important. Okay, and do not take stress. That will invite more disease and do nothing else.
आप थक नहीं रहे हो साहब?
No, I'm very good.
And sir, what about the protein powder for the youngsters?
नहीं. So again, जैसे हमने बताया that protein का 3 classes होता है: animal protein,
Plant
artificial
protein.
protein and plant protein. तो हम प्लांट प्रोटीन में जोड़ देंगे, ना कि आर्टिफिशियल प्रोटीन, बिकॉज आर्टिफिशियल प्रोटीन किडनी में जाके बहुत लोड देता है. ओके. दूसरी बात, आप कभी भी ना ऐसा ना सोचो कि इस खाने में प्रोटीन है, इस खाने में ये, ऐसे ना सोचो. फूड हैज लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. मतलब कि जब मैं ब्रोकली खाऊं या मटर, विंटर्स में मटर आता है ना, मटर में भर भर के प्रोटीन. सत्तू इज अ गुड सोर्स ऑफ प्लांट प्रोटीन. पंपकिन सीड्स में प्रोटीन, स्प्राउट्स में प्रोटीन, दाल में प्रोटीन, शकरकंदी, स्वीट पोटैटो में भर भर के प्रोटीन. तो जब हम अच्छी चीजें खाएंगे ना तो प्रोटीन तो मिलेगा, बट उसके अलावा हमको फाइबर मिलेगा, विटामिन, मिनरल्स मिलेगा जो उसमें है. And when I'm having artificial protein, then I'm just getting protein, and that too is not very, very easily digestible. वो किडनी में लोड देता है. Not a good idea. So look at food as a holistic thing कि उसमें 10 चीज है rather than just एक और दो चीज.
Thank you.
हमारे पास करीब 12 से 15 जन आते हैं जो स्टेट लेवल, ओके, वो बंगाल में स्टेट लेवल में रोइंग करते हैं. ओके, रोइंग करते हैं. उनको ना हम आर्टिफिशियल प्रोटीन देते हैं, ना एनिमल प्रोटीन देते हैं, ना मिल्क प्रोटीन देते हैं. वो नेचुरल प्लांट प्रोटीन खाते हैं.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम. आप जरा म्यूट कर लीजिए अपने आप को. जेबी नाग जी, आप दोबारा आ गए, आपको फिर से अनम्यूट कर दिया.
हाँ, थैंक यू सर. मेरा एक्चुअली
नाग साहब एक आपसे रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा था, एक बार में पूछ लीजिए ना, काफी लोग खड़े हुए.
नहीं, वो एक्चुअली वो थोड़ा बाद में कि जस्ट ए डिबेट ऑन द कुकिंग मीडियम. आई एम आस्किंग द कुकिंग मीडियम, व्हाट शुड बी द बेस्ट कुकिंग मीडियम?
In terms of oil, yeah, okay. So in terms of oil, let us understand that processed oil we should avoid. Okay, so safflower, sunflower, all that we should avoid. Less refined is something that we should prefer. So things like til ka tel, okay, so sesame oil is okay. Rice bran is okay, mustard oil is okay. All of these are okay. But again, oil हम कितना डालेंगे, कब डालेंगे? लंच और डिनर में ही डालेंगे. तो जितना जरूरत हो थोड़ा सा ही डालें, ज्यादा. See, इंडिया में ना एक प्रॉब्लम और है, ओवर कुकिंग इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम. All right, overcooking, lot of oil is a big problem. तो जितना जरूरत हो थोड़ा सा ही डालो, ज्यादा नहीं डालो.
थैंक यू नाग जी, म्यूट कर दीजिए अपने आप को.
थैंक यू.
तानिया जी, अनम्यूट किया आपको. सर पानी पीना है, पी लो, हमको डर लग रहा है.
No, I'm good.
Hello, sir.
आप 1 घंटा पहले छोड़ेंगे नहीं हम यहाँ से?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
So my question to you was, what's your take on healthy baking and desserts? What's the new future for people who like having sweet food and desserts, and for bakers especially? How do they convert to healthy baking?
Absolutely. In fact, if you are into healthy baking, then you are at a right profession, because अभी lot of people have become conscious. तो उनको healthy खाना है. देखो, अच्छा खाना तो छोड़ेंगे नहीं, पर अगर healthy बना के दो तो वो जरूर खाएंगे, right? So दो चीज मेरे I want to answer in 2 parts. Number 1 is, अगर किसी को consumer point of view से, अगर किसी को desserts and ये सब खाना है, once a while absolutely okay. No, वो जहर नहीं है. Okay, वो आप कभी कभी खा सकते हैं. But day to day is a problem. Okay. Now, generally desserts have a couple of ingredients which are really not okay. Number 1 is maida. Number 2 is a lot of sugar. Number 3 is milk product. So I know there are a lot of people who are doing healthy baking. So they use healthy ingredients where there is no sugar. Instead of sugar, they use jaggery. They use coconut sugar. They use dates. Okay. Instead of animal milk, they use almond milk, soy milk. So अगर आप healthy substitutes के साथ अच्छा डेजर्ट बनाओ, and which is healthy and which is healthy and tasty also, then I will be the first one who will want to eat it. Okay.
Ingredient
So-
भी आप ही दे दीजिए ना.
So,
You
like,
know, so-
in this situation, what are the portion sizes that are recommended?
See, obviously, then आप क्या बना रहे हो, we need to get into details, and this is not the right platform. We need to understand कि क्या portion size and all that. But what I'm trying to highlight is that yes, अगर आपके intention है, and if you really do some little homework, there are a lot of ways in which you can actually do healthy baking and
So
make healthy
baking
desserts.
desserts have no future, basically. The ones
Sorry,
that are not doing healthy baking, they really don't have a very.
I will not say that they don't have a future, because आज भी तो वो अच्छा कर ही रहे हैं, correct? But see, I'm sure लोग unhealthy भी खाएंगे, अनहेल्दी छोड़ेंगे खाना, तो अभी लोग अनहेल्दी खाना बंद करेंगे, ऐसा कभी होगा ही नहीं. ओके, वो डोमिनोज, कोका कोला, पिज्जा, ये सब चलते ही रहेगा. ओके, सो किसी का अगर अनहेल्दी भी है ना, तो वो भी चलेगा ही चलेगा. बट आई एम सेइंग इफ एनीबॉडी इज इनटू हेल्दी, अभी it is a right trend, especially post COVID. Everybody is focusing on immunity, eating right, eating good. तो उसीलिए कर सकते हैं. There's a good market, is what I'm saying.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. आप म्यूट कर दीजिए अपने आप को प्लीज. नम्रता जी अनम्यूट कर रहे हैं, कर दो.
Hello.
Hello.
And first of all, it's great to hear you the second time. I've
Okay.
heard you earlier too. So I had two questions. One is that having eggs is good apparently according to people, and having ghee is good because they both have vitamin B12. That's what is said. So is having like 2 tablespoons of ghee or 2 teaspoons of ghee equal to having eggs, or is egg good at all because it is actually not vegan and it is actually not plant food? So I need a clarity on this.
Great. Couple of things. सबसे पहले कि हमने जैसे बात किया कि वो vegan, keto, ये सब हम उस नाम में नहीं जाएंगे. Number 1. Okay. Number 2, ghee is good. Ghee आप खा सकते हैं, no problem. All right. When it comes to eggs, okay, so we need to understand couple of things. It is an animal protein. The biggest problem with eggs, so it has a lot of good things as well, and I will really want people to keep eggs once in a while kind of a thing, but not on a regular basis. Why? Because many animal proteins, including egg, raise a hormone known as IGF-1, okay, insulin-like growth factor, IGF-1. So, the elevated levels of IGF-1 is directly related to many cancers, including breast cancers, prostate cancers. So I will really want that up in moderation mein rakho, rather than having it eggs regularly, which is not a good idea. As far as ghee is concerned, ghee is good. The way it is made, lot of bad things in the milk goes out. तो घी अच्छा चीज है, आप वो डे टू डे यूज कर सकते हैं, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. But as far as animal protein is concerned, egg is something which I will give yellow compared to other animal products which I give red, but keep it once in a while.
All right. My second question was that so we have a lot of family and hereditary diseases, say asthma, say even I have asthma for that matter. So say ankylosing spondylitis. Instead to reverse karna, what is the right time? And if it is even possible, how long does it take to actually reverse these diseases?
See, why we are going, I didn't understand your time question. I mean, what is the time? I mean, when you know that you have an issue, the sooner you reverse it is good, right? I mean, there's no
but
time.
how
as
long
such.
does it actually take to affect?
Yeah. Now, how long does it take? It also depends from person to person. Okay, we have so many people. Who have rather had ankylosing spondylitis. Okay, there are 3-4 of them who recovered very fast within 4-5 months. There are few of them who took around 9 months, 11 months also. So that depends from person to person. Number 1, that depends how your system responds to a lot of foods, how much holistic health you are looking at it. So all of these factors does play a role. But yes, no matter how much time it takes, we need to do things that are right. We need to walk in the right direction. Okay, even if over a period of 5-6 months agar 100% nahi, 70% bhi reverse hota hai, what is the harm, right? But we need to do things that are right for us.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
सर आप नोटिस नहीं कर रहे हो एक चीज, करीबन 10 जन की लाइन लग गई है बात करने के लिए. मतलब या तो आपके पर्सनालिटी का प्रभाव है, और या फिर कुछ तो इंटरेस्टिंग है ही.
No, I think people want to know. I mean, that is very important.
So I am giving you one responsibility now. You'll have to, after the session is over, you have to tell us whose question was the best.
If I remember, I will.
Okay, we also have a polling where we will soon start polling. We want to get the feedback from people how they like the session so far. So that is your scorecard.
Absolutely.
Gargi ji, you have more than 100 questions. You want to ask something to boss here, or you are addressing them yourself? Gargi ji? गार्गी जी शायद बिजी होंगी. गार्गी जी को हमने उनसे बोला था क्वेश्चन का आंसर करने के लिए. आई थिंक शी इज आंसरिंग. आई एम नॉट लुकिंग एट इट ओनली. ओके, अनम्यूटिंग रेडमी. रेडमी इज द नेक्स्ट स्पीकर. या अनम्यूटेड. रेडमी जी आप बात कर लीजिए. आई थिंक उनका नाम से शी इज नॉट. या आपका नाम रेडमी है लेकिन यहाँ पर फोन का. बोलिए.
Hello, my question. Can I ask a question?
Yes, please.
How to reverse the diabetes?
ओके सो जैसे कि हमने बात की थी पहले, जो बेसिक चीजें आपने सुनी होगी इन टर्म्स ऑफ माइंडसेट, प्लांट फूड खाना वगैरह, मैं आपको 5 चीज बताता हूँ जो आपको करना चाहिए जिससे डायबिटीज बहुत अच्छा होगा, इन टर्म्स ऑफ शुगर लेवल्स कम होंगे. सो नंबर 1 इज चिया सीड्स. ओके, चिया सीड्स इज वेरी वेरी पावरफुल इन टर्म्स ऑफ रिवर्सिंग थायराइड एंड डायबिटीज. नाउ इट इज वेरी सिंपल. चिया सीड्स को करना क्या होता है, 2 चम्मच चिया सीड पानी में डालना है, आधा ग्लास, 15-20 मिनट मिनिमम सोक करो तो थोड़े चिया सीड फूल जाते हैं. आप बस वो आधा ग्लास पानी पियो और चिया सीड घिटना है और कुछ नहीं करना है. बट चिया सीड्स आर वेरी वेरी हाई ऑन ओमेगा 3, गुड प्लांट प्रोटीन, गुड फाइबर, लॉट ऑफ फाइबर. यू नो, इनफैक्ट द एंटायर कार्ब कंटेंट इन चिया सीड इज फाइबर. सो उससे शुगर बहुत कम होता है. नंबर 2, देयर इज समथिंग नोन एज भिंडी सीड. सो नॉर्मल भिंडी होती है ना, उसके अंदर का जो बीज है उससे हमारा पैंक्रिया इंसुलिन ज्यादा बनाता है जिससे शुगर कम होता है. ओके, सो वी रेकमेंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल टू हैव जीरा वाटर. ओके, एज अ टी, जीरा वाटर. तो उसमें आप 2 चम्मच भिंडी सीड्स डालो, बॉईल करके जीरा का पानी पियो, उससे शुगर बहुत कम होता है. नंबर 2. नंबर 3, देयर इज ऑल द ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स, बीन्स, बरबटी, वो जो चोरा लंबे वाले. देयर इज दिस वेजिटेबल जो मारवाड़ीज लोग एंड आई मीन मेनी पीपल ईट. देयर इज समथिंग नोन एज कुंदरी. कुंदरू और कुंदरी परवल की तरह छोटा होता है. इट इज रामबाण फॉर हार्ट एंड डायबिटीज. ओके, सो दैट इज नंबर 3. Number 4 is avoiding maida and milk. Milk product is very bad for diabetes and blood pressure. So milk and maida, वो junk food, ये सब avoid करो. Okay. Number 4, intermittent fasting करो 14 घंटा. ये 5 चीज करो, आपका शुगर लेवल 1 हफ्ता, 10 दिन, 15 दिन में वो कम आने लगेगा.
Excellent. I think this should be the best question so far. Although diabetes वाला question था हमारे पास, but I kept it for the last. But I think the best question so far. Thank you, sir. Unmuting Seema Baid. Seema कहाँ गई? एक मिनट यार. Unmuted.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Hi, sir. Hi, Jiten.
Hi.
I just wanted to ask you. You just said that milk is not a very good idea to have, but like the curd that we set it at home is also from the packet milk that is coming, that Amul Taza or Amul Gold. So how is that curd good for us?
Okay, 2 चीज है. So milk has this protein. Shruti, you can just type it for me. Milk has this protein known as casein. CASEIN. All right. Okay. So milk has this protein known as casein, which is very very high on inflammation, which triggers a lot of disease. Okay.
Okay.
Scientifically proven. Cancer cells grow double fast on sugar and casein. Not a good idea. Okay. But जब हम दूध को दही बनाते हैं, 85% of this casein goes out. Okay. And since it is fermented, there are a lot of good bacteria, probiotics. So compared to other milk products, doodh, chai, chena, paneer, all that, compared to other milk and milk products, having dahi, matha is comparatively much better. Number 1. Number 2, again, it is person to person. अगर कोई इंसान हमें कहता है कि I am overall doing fine, आप मुझे 10 चीज बता दीजिए अच्छा जो हमें खाना चाहिए, and मैं रोज थोड़ा दही मट्ठा खाना चाहता हूँ, I don't mind. Compared to that, somebody else who has thyroid, cancer, fatty liver, high sugar, अगर वो बोले कि मुझे रोज दही मट्ठा खाना है, I will say no. पहले आप ठीक हो जाइए, reports better करिए, let's focus on plant foods. एक बार आप थोड़े better हो जाओ, फिर once in a while we'll start curd, मट्ठा, दही and all that. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Right? Great.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. सीमी गुप्ता जी आपको unmute कर रहे हैं, कर दो. Yeah, unmuted.
Yeah. Thank you, Jitin. Lovely show. करण जी, आपका वो ऑक्सीमीटर वाला वीडियो हमने देखा था, and I think that was very nice and very interesting. So I have purchased my oximeter.
Lovely. Thank you so much.
I have 2 short questions. What would you prescribe for cysts? Breast में या stomach में या brain में cyst होता है. So what would you advise for cyst? And bone health, yes, we know about bone health, but there's the muscle around it which also needs to be toned. So
Correct.
for muscle, what should we use? And lime, which is chuna, अगर उसको हम पानी में भिगो के पिए दिन में 2 बार, is that harmful for us?
Okay, great. So दो तीन चीजें, जब बॉडी में एसिडिक एनवायरनमेंट होता है, then issues like cyst and all that come up. Okay, and when you have alkaline atmosphere in your body, then these issues do not come up easily. All right. So one thing that I would recommend, which is very simple for all of you to have, there is something known as lemon water. So plain water में आप लेमन डालें इन्फ्यूज करके, एंड दिन में 1-2 लीटर जो भी आप पानी पीते हैं, नॉर्मल पानी की जगह आप लेमन वाटर लें. ओके, इट रियली हेल्प्स डिसॉल्व लॉट ऑफ cyst. It also helps dissolve kidney stones, okay, because a lot of plant foods are very rich in oxalates, okay, and when you eat oxalates and then you have calcium from food, when oxalate and calcium mix together, they form something known as kidney stones. And one of the magical benefit of having lemon water is that it also dissolves kidney stones. Okay, so alkaline lemon water से पूरा body alkaline होगा, cyst वगैरह के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, so that really helps. Second चीज, flax seeds is very good for cyst also, hormonal balance के लिए भी अच्छा है. So these couple of things you can easily do. All right. Coming to your second question, which was on muscles and all that. So exercise, yoga, doing all of these things will also help. And apart from that, eating few foods which are good in plant protein can also help. So if you're interested, you can just drop in your email ID or number. After the session, Gargi from my office will send you a list of plant protein, which can really help for muscles. Yeah.
Right. And lime water? Lime matlab chuna water?
I will prefer you having lemon water, which will do both the things which I want in your case.
Okay, thank you.
एक हमारा काम और कर दीजिए भाई साहब, आप अपना उनको बोलिए आपका ईमेल आईडी या आपका कोई सेक्रेटरी का नंबर वो डलवा दीजिए. If they have to connect with you, let them directly connect with you.
Sure, we'll get it done. So Gargi will send our office number and email ID so that if anybody wants any help, they can write into us.
Yes, that's a great favor. We go on to Rajshri Bhartiya ji, उनको unmute कर दीजिए. हाँ जी, you are unmuted, madam.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. So my question is, Karan, what is your take on intermittent fasting of 16 hours, but eating only twice a day within a 55-minute window, which a doctor in Maharashtra says that makes your insulin be produced only twice a day if you eat within a 55-minute window. And आप साथ साथ में आप 16 hours का fasting भी कर रहे हैं. Like you eat at 8 o'clock in the night and then eat the next day, say at 12:15.
Yeah.
So how to pack everything in a 55-minute window, but though I'm doing it, but what is your take on it?
Okay, so if I've understood correctly, so आप जैसे रात को 8 बजे आप अगर खाए कुछ
खत्म करते हैं
अगर कुछ, say maybe your dinner you finish at 8 o'clock.
Yes.
So next day आप 12 साढ़े 12 बजे के बाद उस टाइम में कुछ खाते हैं, correct?
Yeah, start with a fruit, then some salad.
So that is within 55 minutes आप खाते हैं, right? So 12:30 से 1:50 मानो 12:30 से 1:30 तक आपने खाया, okay? And फिर रात को वापस आप 55 minutes खाते हैं, वैसा बोल रहे हैं?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll tell you why this concept came and what should we do about it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the fact is that whenever we eat, हम लोग सब कोई जब कुछ भी खाते हैं, so हमारे body में glucose goes up. ध्यान से समझो. Okay. Anything we eat, glucose goes up. In response to that, pancreas make insulin. Okay. Now, अगर हम मानो अभी मैं अगर बर्गर खाता हूँ, so मेरे बॉडी में इतना ग्लूकोज बढ़ेगा एंड इतना इंसुलिन बढ़ेगा. एंड अगर मानो मैं गाजर खाता हूँ तो खाली इतना ग्लूकोज बढ़ेगा और इतना इंसुलिन बढ़ेगा. करेक्ट. सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हाट फूड आई एम ईटिंग, माय ग्लूकोज विल गो अप. In response to that, my pancreas will release insulin. Now, why this has come, the question, why this concept has come into place is because, yes, this theory is right कि आपका body जितना बार बार इंसुलिन कम बनाए, it is good, okay? But we need to understand that अगर हम overall plant food और अच्छा खाना खाएंगे, तो दिन में थोड़ा थोड़ा इंसुलिन बनाए, I don't mind, okay? Rather than spiking it and making it ज़्यादा all the time, right? So I personally is not in the favor of 55 minutes twice a day, because as you rightly said, कितना चीज उसमें fit करे, right? You want to have fruits and then fruits के साथ आप food को mix नहीं करना चाहिए.
Yes, sir. That is my point. Because I don't eat anything till half enough having the fruit.
Yeah.
The raw fruit and
Absolutely, वो नहीं करना चाहिए mix also, right? So I am not too much in favor of this. So what I will want is कि आप थोड़ा इसको easy करो, थोड़ा medium में आ जाओ. कैसे medium में आ जाओ कि आप 16 hour तो कर रहे हैं, instead of doing it 2 times आप maybe 3 बार कर दो और maybe 4 बार कर दो, तो एटलीस्ट क्या होगा कि सुबह फल खा लिए, फिर एक बार लंच वाला हो गया और शाम को मे बी एक आध फल और सीधा डिनर, तो 3 to 4 times आप कर दो इंस्टेड ऑफ 2 times. ओके तो उससे 2 चीज होगा, एक इट इज इजी फॉर यू, इट इज सस्टेनेबल. देखो ये चीज ना मैं सब व्यूअर्स को कहना चाहता हूँ, हमें जोश जोश में कुछ भी चीज नहीं करना है जो हम 2-3 महीना ही कर सके. हमारी लाइफस्टाइल अच्छी होनी चाहिए, हमारी हैबिट्स अच्छी होनी चाहिए, उसके लिए हमें वो ही करना है जो सस्टेनेबल हो, जो कंसिस्टेंट हो. ओके मैं ये चाहूंगा कि आप 60-70 साल तक एकदम ऐसा लाइफस्टाइल इजी रखो जो इजी टू डू हो. ऑलराइट, रादर देन अभी 6 महीना हम खाली ये करें फिर वी कैन नॉट डू इट. ओके सो अब इसको 3 बार 4 बार कर दो 55 मिनट वाला, आई डोंट माइंड. बट या ये पॉइंट भी सही है कि हमें बार बार मंचिंग नहीं करते रहना चाहिए. ऑलराइट,
Right. So how long can one do 16-hour fasting? Like for how many years? Is it okay if you do it all your life?
Absolutely okay. Make it your lifestyle. Therefore, my favorite is 14 hours because it is doable. You know, so I mean, I generally finish by 8ish. So morning हम 9:30-10 बजे ही चालू करते हैं. So 14 hour becomes your lifestyle. Okay. So you can keep doing it as long as you can. Also, कभी अगर डिनर लेट हो गया, बाहर पार्टी हो गया एंड मानो कभी 9:30-10 बजे खा लिए, that is okay. उस दिन आप 14 घंटा 12 घंटा करो ना. या बट मेक इट योर लाइफस्टाइल. आपको अपने आप पे स्ट्रेस नहीं डालना है कि अरे मैं ये तो आज 16 आवर नहीं हुआ, मैं रात को बाहर चली गई खाने. इट्स ओके. उस नेक्स्ट डे 12 घंटा 14 घंटा करो ना.
Thank you so much.
या
Thank you.
थैंक यू मैम. श्रुति जी आपको अनम्यूट कर रहे हैं, कर दिया.
Hi Karan. Yeah, hi Karan. Okay, my question is related to my 18-year-old son is suffering from a lot of skin diseases.
Yeah.
I mean, he has different kind of skin diseases at his back, leg, face, everything. So what kind of plant food would you recommend for him?
All right. So see, 90% of skin issues come from the gut. Okay. So gut is the entire area of your large intestine, small intestine, that is known as the gut. Okay. So gut clean करना बहुत जरूरी है अगर स्किन को अच्छा करना है. ये हो गया point number 1. Point number 2, every 35 days पुराने skin cells मरते हैं, नए skin cells आते हैं, which means that every 35 day cycle you have an opportunity that you can create a better new skin compared to what you had. Okay. And वो जो skin में आएंगे, they are dependent on what ingredients, again lot of things that you eat. All right. So cleaning the gut and eating foods which are good for skin is very very important. So 3 चीज. So ideally I will want to know more कि exactly क्या issue है, that we can recommend then. But again gut clean के लिए things like pantabat is very good, जीरा पानी is very good. Good skin के लिए कड़ी पत्ता is very nice. Pumpkin is very good. कद्दू होता है ना, so pumpkin का सब्जी या pumpkin soup बना के दो, it is very very good for the skin. ये 2-4 चीज आप कर सकते हैं. But again 18 years is not an age where we can have skin issues. प्लस उसको मेडिसिन दे के सप्रेस करना also not a good idea. So उसको रूट कॉज ठीक करना बहुत जरूरी है. So if you can maybe send some reports or more details in the mail, then we can guide you better.
Okay. And jeera water, how do you suggest? It should be in empty stomach.
या सुबह पांता भात के बाद और समथिंग इन द मॉर्निंग. या सो 1 गिलास पानी गर्म करने डालेंगे, 1 चम्मच जीरा डालो, उबाल के आधा करो, छान के चाय में कप में डालो एंड वो जीरा पानी पियो. उससे पूरा सिस्टम क्लीन होता है.
Okay.
आप जब मेल करेंगे पापा जैसी टॉक शो रेफर कर दीजिए, कुछ डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा शायद.
Yeah. So
Okay,
last
Ruchi.
couple of questions we can take, Jitin.
You want to hang up?
No, I have another session from 5:45. So I thought
I'll give you time at 5:44. I'll leave you. Don't worry, boss. बड़ी मुश्किल से. You want to have pani? You can have pani.
No, I'm good. Yeah.
रुचि शर्मा जी अनम्यूटिंग कर दो. Okay, Ruchi, you're online.
Yeah. Jitin, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How are you doing?
Good. Hi, Karan, I wanted to know, me
Yeah.
and my daughter suffer from autoimmune disorder. Now, whenever you go to a hospital, everything is attributed, whatever can be figured out is attributed to an autoimmune disorder.
Yeah.
Can you throw some light? Like my elder daughter suffers from SLE. And she also had spondyloarthritis at a very young age, which was again attributed as an autoimmune disorder. And
Yeah.
my kidney failure is also attributed to an autoimmune.
Okay.
So just if
Okay.
you can throw some light, regarding what food to
Yeah.
take to improve autoimmune
So,
disorders.
okay. So for basic understanding for everyone, so what is an autoimmune disease? When your body starts identifying its own cells and start attacking its own cells, thinking that it is something foreign and which is damaging our own body. So body attacking its own cell is known as autoimmune disease, and there is there's a huge inflow of a lot of autoimmune disease patients we have seen in last and a year or so. And yes, so autoimmune disease can be rectified, and again, immunity and gut is going to play a very, very important role. So three things that I would recommend for you. Number one is drumsticks. So we have mentioned about drumstick that it is indeed one of the superfoods in this planet in terms of overall health is concerned and immunity is concerned. Number two is chia seeds. It really helps in a lot of pain relief and lot of good effects of chia seed on autoimmune disease that we have seen. And number three is something known as papaya family. So kacha papita, both kacha and ripe papaya is also something that really helps. But again, in your case also, I will want to go a little deep inside and understand what the issues are, so that we can at least recommend you 7-8 things that will be good for you and your daughter, right? It is very important to understand. So if you can just write to us or send your reports to us, we will scan through and we will suggest few things to you, right?
All right. Thank you, Karan. Thank you, Jitin.
Thank you so much, and please write to him with my reference. Discount the thing.
Yeah, sure.
Achha, this question has come from Australia. Should one have Triphala powder, moringa powder, flex seed oil for omega-3?
See, okay, so Triphala, yes, आप खा सकते हैं, it is good, but again, I don't want you to be dependent on it. आपका bowel movement वैसे ही होना चाहिए, but again, वो कभी कभार लेना हो तो ले सकते हैं. Number two was moringa powder. Yes, I have a lot of Indian patients who stay in UK, US. वहाँ पे drumstick इंडिया में जैसे मिलता है वैसे वहाँ अवेलेबल उतना इजीली होता नहीं है. So we recommend them to have moringa powders and which is easily available there. Absolutely okay. Flaxseed oil also has short chain omega-3, right? So flaxseed and chia seeds, green leafy vegetable, flaxseed oil all have short chain omega-3. So वो ले तो सकते हैं, but we also need long chain omega-3. All right. So we definitely need to focus on having long chain omega-3 also. But yeah, all that is fine, not a problem.
And what time this needs to be consumed?
See, Triphala generally लोग शाम को रात को लेते हैं, which is okay. Moringa powder you can put in your smoothies or in any soups that you are taking. 1 to 2 teaspoons is very, very good for a day. And your this flaxseed oil could be in dressings, which is also in your salads.
Excellent. अच्छा, आप क्या अभी बता रहे थे आपको जाना है, सीरियसली जाना है क्या?
Yeah.
नहीं, कैसे जा सकते हो? आपको पता है कितने सारे क्वेश्चन. अरे वाह.
Yeah. So she's the one who eats who eats drumsticks in my house.
But you are that means married.
Yeah, she's 2.5 years old.
Oh my God! I thought there are so many questions coming in. Is he married or not?
Just a second.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
He's allowed to do anything here.
Yes, बताइए.
अच्छा, तो अब बस आपका जाने का टाइम अभी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है. You have another 25 minutes to stay here, please.
Yeah, we can take a few questions.
Thank you so much. Shashi Modi ji, I'm muting you.
Hello. And hi Karan ji and
Shashi ji, थोड़ा short रखिएगा because बहुत सारे questions lined up हैं.
Okay. And your son and daughter जो भी है बहुत very sweet.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And your ये जीरा वाटर जो है, ये क्या जीरा वाटर की हम किसी भी समय में ले सकते हैं क्या? ये
Yeah, so
पर्टिकुलर
जैसे अपने दिन में चाय पीते हैं ना, वैसे एक बार 2 बार आप आराम से चाय पिए, ओके, एंड चाय की तरह पी सकते हैं, ओके. एंड इनफैक्ट अगर किसी को अगर गैस एसिडिटी का प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप उस पे अजवाइन भी डाल सकते हैं, हाफ स्पून, विच इज वेरी, वेरी गुड. सो 1 ग्लास पानी में आप 1 चम्मच जीरा डालो, जस्ट बॉईल इट, 1 ग्लास को आधा करो, and उसमें तुलसी, पुदीना, सौंफ, ginger, anything is okay. Lot of studies are showing ginger is very good for COVID times.
in this COVID season में बहुत अच्छा है ना?
Yeah, so आप ginger ये सब डालो and बस boil करके छान के चाय के कप में डालो. दिन में 2 बार 3 बार जब चाय पीना हो आप जीरा पानी पियेंगे.
इसके अंदर क्या हम लेमन भी डाल सकते हैं साथ में? लेमन मींस
छानने के बाद आप लेमन डाल सकते हैं, no problem.
And one more question. That Epsom salt is क्या इंफ्लेमेशन के लिए अच्छा होता है ना एप्सम सॉल्ट?
अच्छा होता है, या
तो उसको क्या हम कैसे यूज करेंगे, मतलब पानी में डाल के शॉवर की तरह कि किस तरीके से इसको यूज करना चाहिए?
नहीं, सो जनरली वी रिकमेंड दिस टू पीपल जिनको कहीं स्वेलिंग या कुछ होता है ना, सो वो आप पानी में डाल के देन, जैसे बहुत जिनको पैर में स्वेलिंग होता है तो आप पैर उसमें सोक करो, दैट उससे इन्फ्लेमेशन वगैरह कम होता है।
ओके, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू। आप म्यूट कर दीजिए अपने आप को। नितिन कनोडिया जी, आई एम अनम्यूटिंग यू। बोलिए, ये आपके सामने आ गया है पोलिंग सेशन। हाँ जी, बोलिए नितिन कनोडिया जी, आप बोलिए।
Karan, I would like to know. Yeah, Karan, I would like to know. Like, my wife is suffering from rheumatoid arthritis. What kind of food would you suggest for the same?
सबसे पहले जिनको भी अर्थराइटिस और रूमेटॉइड अर्थराइटिस हो, एक चीज ध्यान दे, खाने में खट्टा नहीं जाना चाहिए। वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ओके, अगर आप एक गिलास पानी आपके पास है, उसमें आप लेमन डालो, सो दैट वाटर इज अल्कलाइन। ओके, आप लेमन एज इट इज सलाइवा में डालो, दैट इज अल्कलाइन, सो लेमन इज अल्कलाइन व्हेन लेमन टचेस योर सलाइवा। बट हम कुक्ड फूड में जब लेमन डालते हैं, इट बिकम्स एसिडिक एंड नॉट अल्कलाइन। सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल विद रूमेटॉइड अर्थराइटिस, जॉइंट पेन्स, यूरिक एसिड, खाने में खट्टा नहीं जाना चाहिए। So things like lemon, tomato, इमली, आमचूर, खाने में खट्टा आज से बंद। ओके, एंड 15 दिन में उनको पेन में रिलीफ मिलेगा। पॉइंट नंबर 1। पॉइंट नंबर 2, अगेन 5 things that really works for RA. Number 1 is ripe papaya, number 2 is drumsticks, number 3 is kadi patta, number 4 is khajur and anjeer, which is very very good, and number 5 is methi dana. मेथी दाना से बॉडी पेन्स वगैरह बहुत बेटर होते हैं। तो ये 5 चीज तो डेफिनेटली हेल्प करेंगे। स्ट्रिक्टली 4 चीज, और अपार्ट फ्रॉम खाने में खट्टा के अलावा 4 चीज नहीं जाना चाहिए। नंबर 1 तला हुआ, नंबर 2 पैकेट फूड, नंबर 3 मिल्क प्रोडक्ट, एंड नंबर 4 इज मैदा। तो ये 4 चीज अवॉइड करें, एंड बाकी ये 5-6 चीज ऐड करो। प्लांट फूड ज्यादा खाओ, खट्टा खाने से अवॉइड करो, बहुत बेटर हो जाना चाहिए।
Thank you.
Thank you, Monica.
Thank you so much.
Monica Parasrampuria ji.
Yes, yes. I'd like to know what is the difference between virgin oil, cold pressed oil, and unrefined oils, and out of these, which can be used for frying?
Okay, so सबसे पहले cold pressed virgin oil is the best. Okay, number 1. नंबर 2, ऑलिव ऑयल्स जो है ना, उसको हमेशा ड्रेसिंग में ही करना चाहिए, उसको कुकिंग या फ्राइंग में नहीं करना चाहिए। सो थिंग्स लाइक तिल का तेल या राइस ब्रांड, ऑल दीज आर गुड फॉर फ्राइंग, but definitely avoiding refined is better. So if I have to rank those 2-3 things which you have said, first would be cold pressed, then would be so unrefined is a broad category, जिसके अंदर cold press भी आ जाएगा, or virgin oil भी आ जाएगा, all that. So unrefined is a broader category, which is okay. But however, we need to understand that any oil that we use is refined. Some kind of refined is, so olives are better than olive oil, right? Because olive is something real and olive oil is processed. Okay, so any oil is processed to some extent, but highly refined is something that we should avoid.
No, we have these wood pressed oils which are not refined. They are unrefined.
Yeah, so the unrefined are comparatively much better. Okay,
They
so
can be
good.
used for frying.
Yeah, you can. That's okay. But again, how much? I mean, that is the question. Also, one thing which I will really want people to know is that अगर आपको किसी को भी fried foods खाना है ना, so once in a while घर में खाओ, I don't mind. बाहर में eating fried food is a big problem because you are
reheated.
Yes, it is reheated and refried in that, which triggers many cancers and a lot of disease, which is not okay.
Okay, one more question. If we use ghee for frying, can that be reused?
Not a good idea.
Not a good idea. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. And for your kind information, you have scored 88%. Excellent.
Superb, great. Let's take last question. Let's take last question.
No.
Boss, it's 5:30. I have session. I need 10 minutes.
No, Baba, I'll give you time. Boss, now we can take questions in one minute. Baap re baap, 8 jan aur khade hue. Boss, I am unmuting Amit ji. I will only allow you 1 minute. Boliye. Amit ji, kahan hai?
Yeah, so very healthy evening and great investment of time. एक धर्म संकट था कि we have to take tasty food or healthy food. तो भैया ने बहुत अच्छा गाइडलाइन दिया है। तो my basic question is with related to water. Normally, we used to advise कि हम लोग को mineral water पीना चाहिए, but all the minerals will taken out when we just get it filtered or RO. So the basic like किस तरह का पानी you advise for regular
Like,
drinking?
so I am okay with having normal, AquaGuard or RO water is okay. But in fact, that's a very good question. I want to highlight something which people should know about this. Okay, so ना पानी के ना 4-5 रूल होते हैं. Okay, let's understand. आप ये रूल को अच्छे से follow करें. So number 1 is कभी भी हमें ठंडा पानी नहीं पीना चाहिए. All right. So पानी has to be lukewarm or normal temperature is okay, but ठंडा पानी नहीं पीना चाहिए. Number 2, पानी कभी भी हमें fast नहीं पीना चाहिए. Okay, that is very, very important, which means that if I have to drink water, okay, I drink it like this. I sip and drink it, but I don't drink it together. Very, very important, because our digestion starts here. Digestion doesn't start here. All right. So पानी धीरे धीरे पीना चाहिए. Number 3 is yeah, that's okay. Jiten, now you have to stop. Okay, हाँ. So धीरे धीरे पानी पीना चाहिए. एक साथ ज़्यादा नहीं पीना चाहिए. Number 3 is that कभी भी हमें सोच के नहीं पीना है कि हमें दिन में 4 लीटर, 5 लीटर, 10 लीटर, I mean, whatever, 6 लीटर पीना. That is not a good idea. हमारे बॉडी से पूरे दिन में कितना पानी यूरिन से बाहर जाता है उस पे हमारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है. राइट, वी डोंट गेट अप एंड थिंक आज हम 3 लीटर यूरिन करेंगे. वी डोंट डू लाइक दैट. सो बॉडी नोज द बेस्ट कि कितना यूरिन से पानी बाहर जाना चाहिए. सो सिमिलरली लेट द बॉडी डिसाइड कि कितना प्यास लगेगा उतना आप पानी पिएंगे. ओके, इनफैक्ट वी गेट सो मेनी किडनी पेशेंट्स, उनको बताया जाता है कि पूरे दिन में आपको 1 लीटर से ज्यादा नहीं पीना है, because when you drink a lot of water, kidney पे load पड़ता है to filter that water. Okay, so that is number 4. And number 5 is that when you are drinking, when you are eating a lot of plant foods, fruit, vegetables, तो fruit vegetable के माध्यम से भी काफी पानी जाता है. तो उसके अलावा आप 1.5-2 लीटर पियो, which is very, very okay. And if you want to make your water little alkaline, if you feel that the water you're drinking is not doesn't have a lot of nutrient and you want to make it a little alkaline, then you can definitely add things like lemon, cucumber, pudina to it, and उससे वो alkaline water बन जाता है. Right?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
सुनिए ना, आपसे एक बात पूछना था मेरे को. आप क्या एंजॉय नहीं कर रहे हैं?
बहुत कर रहे हैं.
तो आप फिर जाने की हड़बड़ी क्यों कर रहे हैं?
But I need 15 minutes before any session. So
तो आपका 6 बजे सेशन है, पता कर चुके हैं, पहले ही पूछ लिया था हमसे.
No, 5:45. It's I know Facebook live में भी आएगा, so you can check that. 5:45 it is.
तो फिर आप ये बताइए हमको कि दोबारा कब आएंगे आप, क्योंकि आपका क्रश
आप जब बुलाए तब
कल आ जाइए आप. हमको क्या है, हम तो चाहते हैं सारे मेरे क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर आंसर होने चाहिए.
Yeah. नहीं, we can write it to them, not an issue, but it was lovely.
राइट नहीं सर, यहाँ पर सुनिए आप, क्या है ना, राइट में क्या एक आदमी को उसका जवाब मिलता है, यहाँ पर जो क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स हैं ये हजारों को मिलते हैं बस.
Yeah, agreed.
तो फिर कब आएंगे बता दीजिए पहले, तो हम आपसे 2-3 क्वेश्चन फिर छोड़ देंगे सर.
नहीं, आप बुला लेना, हम आ जाएंगे, नॉट एन इशू. ठीक है.
ओके, हम अभी 1-2 क्वेश्चन और लेंगे. वनीता जी को ले रहे हैं.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Hi, Karan. Actually, I have a son. He's 14 years old.
Yeah.
And he's definitely overweight. I know that for sure.
Mm-hmm.
And his neck region is very dark. His underarms, and I'm sure I've not seen his thighs. Magar that must be dark. So I just went to my normal doctor. He's saying that he might be having some kind of a skin disease. Is that so? Is that the case? I'm not able to figure this out actually.
Weight कितना है approximately?
He approximately must be somewhere around 90 plus, 90, 95. I know he's overweight.
And his age, you said, is 14, right?
Yeah, he is 14.
Great.
He's in class 10.
Thank you so much for asking this. And I want everyone to understand this. Okay. Now, just imagine if we have someone in front, if we have someone with us who is 14 years old, who is 90 plus of weight and have other issues also like skin and all that. Okay. Now imagine, we need to understand one thing, okay, which I always tell people, that look at body as one system. Okay. आपका नाम क्या है जिन्होंने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है?
वनीता जी.
वनीता.
Okay, वनीता जी, आप ये समझो that everything is connected. Okay, आप ऐसे ना सोचो कि उसको कोई स्किन इशू है, चलो अब एक स्किन डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाते हैं. Don't think like that. Okay, उसको so what I want is that we should treat him holistically. Okay, in the sense that उसका खाना पीना habits, food, immunity, sleep, everything should start falling in place so that उसका बर्थडे कब है?
उसका 7th January 2005.
Yes, so that 7th January 2021, okay, his weight should be down by 20 kgs. Okay, his skin should start glowing, start becoming better. Okay, so what I'm trying to highlight is that आप ऐसा न सोचो कि पहले तो हमको अंदर से क्लीन करना है, बाहर के बारे में मत सोचो, हमको अंदर से उसका, because obviously someone who is 90 plus at the age of 14, imagine, आपको तो बाहर से स्किन दिख रहा है ना, but imagine करो उसके अंदर में कितना टॉक्सिक होगा.
And he has fatty liver.
Obviously, I mean, इतना overweight होगा, so fatty liver also high chances. But what I'm trying to make you understand, आप समझो कि आपको बाहर से स्किन दिख रहा है, आप बाहर का छोड़ो, आप सोचो उसके अंदर कितना टॉक्सिक होगा, उसके organs के ऊपर कितने fats होंगे, correct? So first 2-3-4 months you should focus on cleaning his system from inside. Forget about outside. Okay, outside is nothing but a mirror image of inside. Okay, so first you should focus के 3-4 महीना हमको उसको अंदर से ठीक करना है, weight कम होगा, skin अच्छा, ये सब होगा, but his system from inside has to be clean. Okay, do not run after skin doctors. No, first we need his inside to become clean. Okay,
how do I do that?
By cleaning his food and his habits, वो क्या खाता है पूरे दिन में. So you know, and once we inspire him, okay, to do good things, to change his food habits, eat lot of fruits. You know, mango अभी season का fruit है, उसको mango रोज खाना चाहिए. Mango से skin अच्छा होता है, mango से good fats मिलते हैं. I mean, I and my wife, we are eating mango since last 6-7 years like anything. Okay, and we have not gained weight. So what I'm trying to highlight is seasonal stuff. ये उसको खिलाइए, plant food खिलाइए, real food खिलाइए, मैदा, bread, packet food, milk product, junk food, उसको कभी-कभी दो, हफ्ते में एक बार 2 बार मिलेगा, but he has to shift to 80-90% eating good food, real food. And जिस दिन उसका weight 95 से 75 आ जाएगा ना, हम तीनों बैठ के साथ में जंक फूड खाएंगे. बट अभी 2-4-6 महीना उसको हमको अच्छा करना चाहिए, अच्छा खिलाना चाहिए, so that उसका बॉडी अंदर से अच्छा हो. Trust me, his skin will be better. I'm not concerned about his skin. मुझे चाहिए कि वो अंदर से बहुत अच्छा हो जाए. You know,
exactly.
That is very important. And once his inside is cleaned, we will see it outside.
आप एक काम, हाँ, मैं आपका बात समझ रही हूँ. I would really request you if you can give me your, some contact details. I would love to come and meet you.
वो chat पे लिखा हुआ, chat पे देख लीजिए please, मैडम की chat पे लिखा. अभी दोबारा लिखते हुए बोल देता हूँ. गार्गी जी दोबारा दे दीजिए please.
Yeah, so there is this number 8100-550-660. Okay, ये हमारा number है, आप call कर सकते हैं.
8100-550-660.
Yeah,
I would definitely I would, surely come. And one more thing is, during this COVID time, I don't know, is it just because of this? He is in class 10. मतलब उसका exam खत्म नहीं हुआ है, उसका school चालू नहीं हुआ है.
Madam, we have to take another question. He is not going to wait here. Thank you so much, madam. And sorry, Ritu Agarwal ji, this is the last question we are taking because we cannot hold on to him now. He's getting impatient. बस छोड़े बस last question.
Yeah, I have. Hi, can you hear me?
Hi. Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I have a 18-year-old son, and this was asked earlier. So he has a lot of skin issues, as in boils and pimples, etc. So what can one do about it to start with?
Okay, so again, दो चीज अंदर and बाहर दोनों चीज ठीक करना चाहिए. So अंदर में again making alkaline water, lemon water, all that will definitely help. Cucumber होता है ना, cucumber का जो juice बना के that you can apply. That makes boils go down very fast also. So that is something as far as application is concerned. But again, cleaning this gut, cleaning the gut, eating healthy things can really help in skin. Kadi patta, as you mentioned, is good for skin. Pumpkin is very, very good. Drumstick is good. तो ये सब चीज पे आप ध्यान दें. Right? But cucumber juice
Thank you
should
so
help.
much.
Yeah, great. Thanks.
अब मैं और question नहीं ले रहा हूँ because I don't want to pester you so much. Actually, it was a very good session. Very, very good session. But आपको जाने के पहले promise करके जाना पड़ेगा कि आप दोबारा आओगे.
No, I will definitely. Why not? And we can definitely fix up a time again. But I loved it. I thoroughly loved it. See, the one thing that I really loved is that in April, we have given around 18-19 lectures. In May, I will be giving 30 lectures. You know, abhi bhi 28-29 tak booked hai. So all these lectures are monologue. I am speaking, people are hearing. What I really loved about this, that this was like a dialogue. Okay. And so I really enjoyed this. And I hope that all the viewers have also enjoyed. And before I go,
you won't believe there are questions. There were मेरे जो private questions आ रहे थे ना, उसमें यही आ रहे थे कि साहब शादीशुदा है कि नहीं.
No, but jokes apart, but one thing that I want everyone to understand before I sign out is that your health is in your hands. Let us understand that your health is in your hands, and what you do now will start giving you result in a while. So start making right choices, and good health and reversing disease is just a byproduct of doing a lot of good things, right? So thank you so much for having me here. Yeah. Thank you so much, Papa Jay, for having me here. It was indeed a pleasure, and I look forward to doing more such things with you. No doubt about it.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure to have you here, boss. और अंबानी जी को मेरा हाय कहिएगा.
Yeah, sure. I would.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you, Kavita, and thank you, Manoj, for being here, and thank you, friends, for coming once again. See you again tomorrow with Kapil Dev. Sir, आप भी आइएगा Kapil Dev से मिलने के लिए.
I would.
I'll send you the link. I'll send you the link. Please come. So tomorrow we are having Kapil Dev over at 6 p.m. in the evening. See you all.
Take care.